Hey everyone, in today's video we will see how to install vidIQ extension for your Instagram account. Now also do check out the YouTube launch playbook which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. I have already done a video where we see how to install vidIQ extension for your YouTube channel, right? So you can check this video linked over here if you want to do vidIQ extension installation for YouTube channel. But for Instagram, all you have to do is link your Instagram account to your vidIQ account. So check this video on how to link. I have already done a video. So once you link, then you can go to your Instagram account. You can just refresh because the vidIQ extension is primarily installed in your browser. Now it will start reflecting for your Instagram account as well. You can see over here the vidIQ pop-ups for each reel on Instagram is appearing, and now it has basically linked to your Instagram account as well. So that's the only thing. First is you install vidIQ extension for your YouTube account. Second is you link your Instagram account to your vidIQ account, and then just refresh your Instagram tab to check if vidIQ has connected to your Instagram account or not. If you have any queries, do drop in the comment section and subscribe to YouTube with Saave.